some video I don't check my sound of my voice, and my some previous some video sound is very low, so forgive me if you can hear properly. So from this video probably my sound will be good. uh, and the reason of my uploading this, telling this thing and uploading the video on YouTube is main reason is learning English. And previous those videos sound is not clear. Through those video I want to say that my main purpose is become come in YouTube is uploading more and more video, and knowing that how can a person become famous YouTuber, and with uploading more and more video, and also my target is become a good speaker, a good English speaker. For this reason I am doing that much hard work. There have no reason without that I am doing that much hard work, and I think this video sound will be clear. So sorry for make mistakes. My microphone was far away from me. For this reason probably you can hear properly my sound. And now I think I have to speak through on the app, because when I will speak through the app I will face many face will face many